This recipe is for a creamy tomato soup. Ingredients: 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter, 2 yellow onions, 3 cups finely chopped, 3 garlic cloves, 1 tablespoon minced, 56 ounces of crushed tomatoes, with their juice, preferably San Marzano, 2 cups of chicken stock, 1/4 cup of chopped fresh basil, plus more to serve, 1 tablespoon of sugar, or added to taste, half a teaspoon of black pepper, or to taste, half cup of heavy whipping cream, or to taste to combat acidity, 1/3 cup of parmesan cheese, freshly grated, plus more to serve. Heat a pot or enameled Dutch oven over medium heat, add butter and add chopped onions. Sauté 10 to 12 minutes, stirring occasionally, until softened and golden, then add minced garlic and sauté 1 minute until fragrant. Add crushed tomatoes with their juice, chicken stock, chopped basil, sugar, or add sugar to taste, and black pepper. Stir together and bring to a boil, then reduce heat, partially cover with lid and simmer for 10 minutes. You can leave your soup with a chunky consistency, but if you like a blended creamy soup, use an immersion blender to blend the soup in the pot to desired consistency. Return blended soup to the pot over medium heat. Add half cup heavy cream, 1/3 cup freshly grated Parmesan cheese and return to a simmer. Season to taste with salt and pepper if needed and turn off the heat.